One of the first surprises our contestants received when they moved onto the block this year was the fact that there was no floor plans. The design was completely up to them, which some of them grabbed with both hands, and it did freak out some of our other couples. But because of this, they've been able to, I guess, incorporate these wow factors into their homes that perhaps the architect wouldn't have thought of.
And I think it's that wow factor that is a really great way of pulling in an emotional buyer. Someone who sees something in a house and is like, I can't forget it and I have to have it in my life.
Everyone's got a kitchen, everyone's got a lounge room. What's that one photo on a listing that is going to bring you to an open home? And for Ronnie and Georgia, it is this staircase, isn't it?
I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I think it really will be the hero of this home. And I think it's that sort of architectural flourish that can also help make a property quite premium into that prestige category, having flourishes like this.
We've also seen some incredible ceilings in these homes that I think are a real wow factor. But each of the homes have something a little quirky, like House 3, Tanya and Vito, have this amazing horizontal garage door, which I think is a wow factor and also has great street appeal.
Yeah, and it's something that's incredibly practical and normally not so sexy or lovely. They've elevated it, I suppose, to give it a real sort of dash of panache across their driveway, basically.
Mitch and Mark incorporating a steam room, basically a day spa, in their home.
I love that idea, and I think it is something special that the other houses don't have, and again, it's making their house memorable for a different reason.
There's no doubt that Jessie and Kirsty, with their enormous backyard and that beautiful pavilion, certainly is the wow factor for their home. A bit more traditional.
And also, I think their basement area with that amazing movie setup that you could literally be in a gold-class cinema in the bottom of their house.
And of course, House 4 has the cinema as well, and that's something in the basements we've incorporated into all our homes. But that does give you a unique point of difference to usually, unless you're on the block, the house next door.
Exactly. And I think it just makes that buyer have something memorable in their mind. It was so easy for us to recall all those points about the houses that we love. And I think you'll see the same thing when buyers walk through and they're going from house to house to house saying, I can't move on from the one with the spiral staircase, or I can't move on the one with the steam room.
Yeah, but make sure you include it in your listing or you won't get them to the open house.